Something I read recently that I'm sure you guys have seen before is that you are a product of the 3 closest people that you spend time with. I want to talk about exactly how that relates to cybersecurity and freelancing or consulting in cybersecurity. If you're working a full-time job with people who perhaps don't have as much ambition as you to create something, start something new, go out on your own and take over the world as a cybersecurity consultant, then just being around those people will actually affect how you feel each day trying to get your business up and running. This is something I've seen a lot of when I've been coaching people who are trying to start their own business, which is that they are spending, most of their time with people who they work with, or even partners, friends, who just don't have that same level of ambition to go out there and make something amazing. Some of you though are in that other basket where you're actually trying to surround yourself with people who could potentially help you to take that business to the moon. The importance here is highly underrated. Talk to people who have built the type of life, not the business, the life that you're chasing. If you're looking for people who have, maybe money, lots of free time, they're traveling, they're working for themselves, they're doing something extraordinary that you look up to as almost like a hero. If you're able to get into those circles of people, and I'll mention how in a second, then I truly believe you will find yourself excelling at a faster rate, or maybe entirely. What's interesting about this is that when you're surrounded by people that truly inspire you to live the life that you want or that you're chasing, that maybe those people already have, changes happen in the background that you don't even realize. And I'm speaking from pure experience here. In the past, I wanted to work for myself. Ever since I can remember, ever since being in high school, I wanted to work for myself, to do my own thing and to make my own decisions. Life goes up and down in different things, and I worked for lots of other people, gained experience, but in the end, I ultimately worked for myself. And now some people perhaps look up to me as someone who's living the lifestyle that they want, where they are traveling. Just this year, I came from China to Australia to move to Australia and live by the beach. The beach is a 5-minute walk down the road, and I think that's pretty damn cool. I'm very happy to be able to have that lifestyle, but I wouldn't be able to have that lifestyle if I was working for someone else. In fact, I wouldn't be here on my computer working here if I was working for someone else. I would probably be out and about all the time. Don't get me wrong, there is nothing wrong working for someone else, especially if you're trying to build something for yourself. But that's kind of the point that I'm getting to here, is that building something for yourself is ultimately your potential ticket to freedom. And there's no argument against that. That's just how it works. So how do you find people that you want to follow who are living that lifestyle? The first step that I found really helped me personally is by finding those kinds of people on places like YouTube, Instagram, X, whatever, social media platform, and connecting with them and just feeling a little bit of like living through their experiences. But keep in mind, social media is not real life. All of these people have ups and downsides, but find the ones who are truly successful and follow them. It does truly help being in that similar mindset. Next up, and the one that people might not like, is separate yourself as much as possible from friends who are living a lifestyle that you definitely don't want or perhaps want to leave behind. I have personally done this, where I've separated myself from a lot of real world friends who I absolutely love and adore, don't get me wrong, but they don't hold the same level of ambition as what I do, or a similar sort of trajectory of life that I want to chase. So I still see them every now and then, every month or so maybe, but I find when I talk with those people that their lives seem so mundane and a little bit boring and completely void of ambition. And I'm not picking shots at them or anything. That's just kind of how life has happened for all of us. The next one is potentially a paid solution, unfortunately, which is, it's not always paid, but it might be. But something that really helped me was by going to business networking events, talking with other businesses who were maybe having a level of success that you wanted to achieve. This one's a bit of a double-edged sword though, where you might actually bring those businesses on as clients of your own, but find and build relationships with the businesses and business owners who are doing exceptionally well. You become friends with people over time who are successful, and you sort of all bring each other up together, and it's a beautiful experience. This in itself has probably been the one thing that helped me the most, is making new friends with people who I truly looked up to as someone who has achieved something that I would really like. I will mention at the end here, if you do want to connect with me and get some coaching from me on building a cybersecurity or AI freelancing side hustle consultancy, please head to the link in the description or go to learn.tsip.app. I'm here to help you build your business. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope this video has been somewhat encouraging for you. If you're feeling down and out and you're thinking, I just want to get ahead in life, maybe this video is for you. I wish you all the best out there. Good luck and happy hacking, guys.